step into the Jeep 2020 Renegade Latitude. This may be the set of wheels you've been looking for. This vehicle's top features include quick order package 2XB included, engine 2.4 Li 40 VAT MAIR transmission, 9-speed 940 ATE automatic, Alpine white clear coat, connectivity, bridge solution, black premium cloth bucket seats, global telematics box module, TBM, tires, 215/60R17 BSWS Touring, STD, transmission, 9-speed 940 ATE automatic, STD, wheels, 17 inches x 7.0 aluminum, STD, and engine, 2.4 Li 40 VAT MAIR, STD. This vehicle shows low mileage and has a smooth ride. This car won't be available much longer. Call now to schedule a test drive at our dealership.